Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a background color only first page of a PDF file or only one page of a PDF file. Open your PDF file. Now I will add background color only this cover page. Now select edit option and select here background option and again select here add background and this background color already selected. Now click this background color option. So there any background color want. Also you can select here more color option, define color, select this color. Now select OK and this color opacity also you can change. Now select a custom option, only type here 1. Also you can select a page number 2, type here only. I'll add 1. Now select apply and see this background color now added only for the first page and other page remains same. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.